guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing INKBOX. So let's get into it. So I don't know about you guys, but I have been seeing this brand called INKBOX all over Instagram and Facebook. There's just been ads non-stop. So I caved and we're going to try it out today. So it's going to be one of those, reviewing an Instagram ads, sort of does it work sort of thing. So INKBOX is kind of like those temporary tattoos that last a couple of weeks. And I was really curious, especially like I have real tattoos, but I'm curious to see, do these things actually work and are they good? Do they last long? So yeah. Let's try some of these tattoos out today. So I picked up 3. I got 2 bigger ones and then just like a little one. So I got this one of like a map of the world. You can't really tell in this sort of picture, but just a world map. Just thought it'd be fun. I like travel, so. I also got some flowers. And just to get the free shipping, I got the like a little tourist sign because I'm a tourist, so just got a little mini one to kind of top off my order. So yeah, I'm really curious to see if these work. So apparently it lasts longer depending on where on your body you put it, and I think this is a really cool idea to kind of like give people good value for their money if you want to put it on a place in your body where the tattoo is going to last a while. I have no idea, because I'll figure out where I want to put these things, but yeah, it's a good idea of how long things last. So we have the tattoo, we have a biodegradable primer wipe. I think it's just to wipe the skin and make sure it's fresh before you lay down the tattoo. We've got the protective seal for while it sets. And then we've actually got some like step-by-step instructions, and I think that's really good to include stuff like this, because I would have no idea if they just sent it to me and I had no idea how to apply it. Like, at least I can try and apply it properly. Who knows? But yeah, something to really get into. And there's some like pre-application tips and just stuff like that. So yeah, this is all very detailed in my opinion, like all the instructions and all the bits and pieces. Yeah, I really like that part about this. So yeah, let's put one of these on my body. I'll probably just do one on camera just so you guys can see how the application process works. And then I'll do the other 2 because I have no idea where I'm going to put them. I have to figure that out. And yeah, let's go apply them. So I've got the flower tattoo and I'm going to apply it here on my arm. So yeah, let's do this. See, I've got real tattoos. We'll see how it looks compared. So as per the instructions, got to prime the skin with a wipe. And then peel it out and apply the tattoo. So peel off the white backing. Oh god, now I've got to figure out how I'm going to position this. And then peel off the white backing, place protective seal over tattoo. So I think that's this thing, the protective seal. Thought that that would be the protective seal, but there's a bigger one. Oh. Oh gosh. I hope that's right. I hope that's actually supposed to still be in there. I really hope that's how I'm supposed to do it. I might look into it. So yeah, next you're gonna leave it like this for 60 minutes and then remove everything, and then your tattoo should look blue or green at first and will darken in 24 to 36 hours to dark blue or black. So yeah, that's just what the instructions kind of said about that. But yeah, I guess I will go apply the other two somewhere on my body, and then I will come back in an hour and take this stuff off, and we'll go from there.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, I am back. It has been a bit more than an hour, so let's kind of see if this has actually done anything. Oh no, I feel like this is gonna hurt. Oh God, it's like ripping off a giant band-aid. Ooh. Ooh, this hurts. This really hurts. Ooh. All right. Ooh. God, that hurt. I mean, my skin is quite wrinkled from this, but yeah, you can definitely see like a green fuzzy sort of situation going on my arm. So, oh wow, look at that, like, ow, where it's totally ripped off. Anyway, yeah, hopefully this does not become a thing on my arm. All the blood suddenly. Yeah, anyway, hopefully this will darken up. It says it takes 24 to 36 hours. I hope it doesn't take that long, just because I don't want to wait. But yeah, I'll come back in, well, I guess tomorrow. I'll come back in 24 hours, and yeah, we will check out if this has developed. Kind of like a fake tan or something, I assume. Ooh, ah. Ooh. Ooh, see, there we go. Slight little... Yeah, I don't think that one worked very well in the whole thing. It just did a section. It didn't do a whole lot, but we'll see how it develops over time.
Later.
Okay guys, so it is the next day, and I have to say these things really do work. So I went to bed, I went to work today, and it has been getting darker and darker. I've been watching it, it's been crazy. So yeah, they actually look like proper tattoos now. Like, how cool is that? So yeah, let's take a closer look. So that's what this one looks like here. It definitely has gotten darker. You notice some blueness here. That's because when I was asleep, it kind of stained the other side of my arm. It's not the product's fault. It does say in the instructions to wear a long sleeve to avoid ink transfers. But it's summer in Australia, so there's no way I'm going to sleep in a long sleeve shirt. That's just how it is. Like, it's not the product's fault. This is just my fault. But here I've got a burst blood vessel or something. I'm not quite sure. It makes me kind of look like a junkie. I promise you I'm not. It's just the edging of this sort of stuff kind of dug into my arm. Again, not the product's fault. I just don't think I applied it like in the best possible angle. So yeah, that's all on me, like it's not the product. But I really am impressed. Like it was just such a pale green color when I took off the seal, and then I woke up in the morning and there it was, like navy blue. So yeah, I think they're really good and they really work. See, there's that one there as well. Yeah, they really do work. So the question of the video, does it work? Yes, it does. And I'm very impressed. I was disbelieving. I was like, oh nah, like it wouldn't be that good. No, it's something like you get in like a gum wrapper or something. But no, it actually did a really good job and it looks like a legit tattoo. When I got to work this morning, my boss was like, oh my god, did you get a new tattoo? And I was like, no, calm down. It's not a real one. But yeah, I'm excited to see how long this lasts. And yeah, I think they look really good. So yeah, I think these would really also be good if you were just trying to decide if you want to get a tattoo for real, like trying to figure out what designs you like or what positions on your body. You can get a feel for it without it actually being like a life-changing decision. So yeah, I was pretty surprised. I had doubts, but I was proven wrong. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.